Hello. In today's video, we will learn how to insert multiple image in database using PHP. This is my web view for upload multiple image, and right hand side my database, and my table name is image, and here only two field or two column, ID and image name. Now go to VS editor. My multiple image upload index file. Here please focus 3 points. First point is enc type multipath / form data, and input type is file, and name is array type and multiple, and button type is submit, not button. Now go to upload.php. Here only connect my database. Now write the code for insert multiple image in database. Write if it said $_ post square bracket single quotation, here pass name of the button, submit, copy the name and pass here, curly bracket $, total image equal to count $_ files square bracket single quote pass image small, one square bracket for name and semicolon. Now loop through each uploaded image. For $I equal to 0 colon $I less than total images, copy this variable and paste here, colon $I ++. Now image name equal to $_ files square bracket single quotation path image, second square bracket name, third square bracket path $I semicolon end. Now insert the image name into the database. $SQL equal to semicolon insert into my table name is image, copy and pass here, and column name is image name, copy and pass here. Next values single quote $, or copy image name, this variable copy and pass here. Next if condition $cont, here this cont variable pass here, hyphen greater than query pass $SQL 3 times equal to true. Now echo success message. Image upload successfully, and here print the image name. Copy this variable and one beard tag. Now else echo error uploading image dot dollar con hyphen greater than error space dot pass beard and save. Now go to web, reload the page and select bank, choose the files 404 page design and add avatar, add custom admin and open and submit or upload. Here print the image name. Now go to database and browse. First is blank submit. This way you can insert multiple images in database using PHP method. Thank you.